Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about cars, so let's get started. Why do people like to have private cars? I could say people often prefer owning private cars due to the convenience they offer. Or, the allure of private car ownership is primarily attributed to the convenience and autonomy they provide. What's the difference between men's and women's preference on cars? Are there differences in car preferences between men and women? Do men and women exhibit distinct preferences when it comes to choosing cars? Which mode of transport is more popular in your country, a bicycle or a car? In your nation, do people tend to favor bicycles or cars as their dominant mode of transport? Is cycling or using cars the more popular means of transportation in your country? What are the differences between bicycles and private cars? What distinctions can be drawn between bicycles and private cars? What sets bicycles apart from private cars in terms of their characteristics and utility? What will cars be like in the future? How do you envision the future developing in automotive design and technology? Okay, next up is our reading passage. Read along with me, it's intended to give you insight into the topic. The world of transportation has undergone significant changes throughout history. Automobiles have played a pivotal role in shaping the way we move from place to place. This reading passage explores the evolving landscape of cars, the factors that drive people's preferences, the distinctions between genders in car choices, the popularity of bicycles versus cars, the contrast between those two modes of transport, and a glimpse into the future of automobile technology. The desire for private car ownership is deeply rooted in the convenience and flexibility it offers. Cars have become synonymous with autonomy. Comfort, privacy, and convenience make cars an attractive choice for many. The difference in car preferences between men and women. Women may prioritize practicality and efficiency. Men often lean towards vehicles associated with power and performance. These trends reflect cultural, societal, and personal factors in shaping individuals' car choices. Bicycles remain a popular mode of transportation in some regions, especially in urban areas. They offer a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to cars. The choice between bicycles and cars depends on factors like distance, infrastructure, lifestyle, and personal preferences. Bicycles have a smaller carbon footprint, making them an eco-friendly choice. They provide agility and promote physical activity. Private cars offer convenience and can navigate longer distance effortlessly. Cars offer shelter from the weather conditions and can carry multiple passengers. Technological advancements include electric and autonomous vehicles, expected to redefine personal transportation. Electric cars promise reduced emissions and reliance on fossil fuels, and self-driving technology may revolutionize urban mobility, making travel safer and more efficient. The allure of convenience, the dynamics of gender preference, the bicycles and eco-friendly charm, and technological innovation reshape the future of cars. The choices people make regarding car ownership reflect their needs, preferences, and influence. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions. Transportation evolution. Driving preferences. Gendered trends. Modes of transport. Contrasting attributes. A road ahead, future of automobiles. Concluding thoughts. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Why don't you have a look through these and see if you can put some of them into your own words. First, we have our paraphrasing questions. Then we have our paraphrasing statements. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing descriptions. I'll leave you to that. Thank you as always for listening. I will see you in the next one.